Trying food in Bali I have never tried before. Traditional jamu tonic. I'm not a big fan of turmeric, but this was better than ginger shots. What is this fruit?
I have no idea what this is. Anyone know what this fruit is called? Balinese like apple. I don't love this. It's too watery. There's not that much flavor. Dragon fruit yogurt. 9 out of 10. I've been loving like Bali cake and Bali desserts. I love the like chewy texture of these kinds of things. Very doughy. I have no idea what it is. It's so good. I love trying different dates in every country. I feel like they produce it in different ways. It's a different color inside too. But honestly, it's a little bland. It's a little bland. Oh.